Welcome everybody. I'm Tien Paurel. Today we are going to discuss on research data management and data sharing ethics. First of all, let's see what research data management is. And research data management, RDM in short, is a process of handling data from planning stage of a research project all the way through to its completion and long-term preservation. And why is RDM is needed? It ensures the integrity, security, and quality of research data, making it more reliable and trustworthy. And what are the key goals of RDM? To make data flexible, accessible, interoperable, and reusable. So that is a fair principle is in short. So, okay, is for the wider is scientific community. And what is the life cycle is of RDM, or how does it work? RDM is not just a single step. It's a continuous process that supports entire research journey. Regarding the RDM life cycle, there are certain stages to follow. And first of all, it is planning. So create a data management plan, DMP, at the beginning of a project. And this plan outlines how data will be collected, stored, and shared. Secondly, uh, creation. So implement the plan by consistently collecting and documenting data, ensure proper labeling and organization. So third stage is storage and security. Store data securely on appropriate platform using backups and access controls to prevent loss or unauthorized use. And next, preservation and sharing. Prepare data for long-term storage and make it available in a secure and ethical manner. So this allows of, of others to verify and build upon your work. And so next we see benefits and best practices of RDM. And there are certain benefits. Let's see them in short. So first is increased transparency. So it allows for verification of results. And secondly, enhanced collaboration. So that is, it enables others to reuse and build on your data. Thirdly, greater impact. Shared data can lead to new discoveries and wider recognition. And next stage ensures compliance, helps meet ethical guidelines and further requirements. Similarly, there are ways how we can best practice RDM. And the first is document everything. Use metadata to describe your data, and use standard format. So choose widely acceptable file types, e.g. CSV or TXT, to ensure others can use your data. And data anonymization, remove or mask sensitive information to protect participant privacy. And choose a repository, so that is, use a trusted data repository for long-term storage and sharing. So now let's see okay, what is data sharing ethics in short. So data sharing ethics refers to controls moral principles that guides the responsible exchange of data, and its core purpose is to balance the significant benefits of sharing data. This is achieved through some key principles, and the first of which is transparency. That means informing people how their data is being used and shared. Second is privacy and consent, protecting personal data and getting informed permission. And third is accountability, that is holding everyone is involved is responsible for how they handle the data. And next is fairness, that is ensuring data practices don't lead us to bias or discrimination. And finally, security, so using strong measures to protect data from unauthorized access. And that's all about our discussion. Thank you very much.